You told me a story before about when you went to Toulouse and the first thing you did in a training session was you went to ground when you caught the ball. Tell us that story again.
Yeah, I can remember then.
Gino
West was coach for 25 years there, player and coach. So he spent probably his whole life there. But my very first training, we had a lekker, it was a live, full on training session, 15 against 15, and it was live. And the first thing I went to ground and there was a rag. He lost his head. He whistled. I actually shouted at me. He said, "What are you doing?" And obviously I couldn't understand. And I was lying down there. He said, "What are you doing here? Here we keep the ball alive. You pop it to someone and you keep it alive. But you're not forming a ruck. We don't want rucks."
Yeah.
Anyway, that was my first sentence that I learned.
But that's
In French.
to a Mali culture. And you didn't go there and say, "But I'm going to play the South African way." Yeah?
No, I couldn't because obviously you need to adapt. And I had to. Obviously their scrum is number one. Even if they lose his games, that was okay. As long as they won the scrum, that was for them a win. And that's how much they love the scrum. But the way that they played compared to South African way back then was completely different.